Okay guys, today we're going to be unboxing iPhone 7, but brand new. It's going to replace my SE, and here we go. We're gonna, okay guys, so now we're going to open the wrapping. Move this out of the way. Here's how it looks. We're going to now open the box. Now we're introduced to this tab. This is designed by Apple in California. If you want to see that. Now we're going to lift this tab really slow. Now this here is the iPhone 7, which I will talk about in a moment. Now we're going to look inside. We get a nice Apple stickers with it being, clear background. Some other important documents include the SIM removal kit thing. Now we're getting to the iPhone itself. So it's a beautiful little phone, but the thing is though, it doesn't have a headphone jack. You're going to have to use that dongle, which I probably will show you here in a moment. So now we're going to our power brick, our headphones, which also has our dongle in here, our earbuds. And here's how they look. I'm definitely going to have to show that dongle thing later. Where I thought this was I thought this came with a dongle, but guess it didn't. And here's your USB charging / data cable. Let's see if there's anything else under here. Don't look like it. So, yep, just gonna double check everything. Yep, that's all it came with. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.